Saturday, October 4th, the Upper St. Clair crew team participated in the annual Head of the Ohio Regatta. Here, the team participated in 4 and 8 man races. We asked Guys captain John Benhart what his favorite thing about the crew team was.
I think probably my favorite thing is how so many different people, like it's co-ed, and so the girls and guys interact, and then also you have 4 different grade levels really interacting.
We also asked John if he preferred fall or spring races.
I like fall races. They're a lot more fun, you get to see a lot more scenery. They are a lot longer, so in the fall we do 5K races, and then in the spring we do 2K races. But I'd say the 5K is more fun, at least for me personally.
We also interviewed women's coach Dan Kraft.
I've only been coaching USC for a year, but I also have experience coaching high school and middle school kids in Dayton.
We asked him how he thinks the team will do today.
So today I expect to go out there and I hope everyone has a really good time. I hope everyone rows the best they can and hopefully come away with some medals. So.
Dan explained how anyone can get involved with the crew team.
Or learn to row classes on Saturdays, so if you know anyone, then get with them and they can get you started rowing.
The crew team will have their next race in Columbus, Ohio later this month. For more information, go to usccrew.org. This has been Abby Zadrozny with USC Update.